Welcome to our Health Lifestyle channel, where we feature different videos showing tips, fun facts, and natural remedies for some of the most common health problems. Please hit the like button and share our videos. Do you want to be updated whenever we upload new videos on our channel? Hit the subscribe button now. Avocado toast with egg. What is so great about avocado toast? What is especially great about the avocado toast trend is that it can be eaten for breakfast, lunch, a snack, or even dinner. It fits into any meal category. You have a healthy meal: carbohydrate, bread, protein, eggs, and a healthy fat, avocado. That sounds like a great meal to eat any time of day, don't you think? Quick and easy to make meal. Well, not only is it cheaper to make this avocado toast recipe at home, but it is also super simple. This meal only takes about 10 minutes, and you will have a restaurant quality, picture-perfect avocado toast ready to eat without a hefty price tag. So where do we begin? With the avocado, of course. First, it all starts by choosing a perfectly ripe avocado. There are many different types of avocado, but the most popular seems to be Hass, because it is found in most supermarkets. I want to look for an avocado that is slightly soft when given a light squeeze, almost the same consistency of a ripe peach. However, grocery store avocados tend to be rock hard, which is a sign that they are not yet ripe or completely soft. If you like our channel, share with your friends, press the like button and let us know if you like this recipe. Until next time. And remember, a healthy life is a happy life.